sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification. Today we're eating 2 times spicy noodles with my aunt, my mom, my grandma, and my grandpa.
Alright, so put yourself in.
These are hard!
They're not hard, they're
Wait,
it's because they were, yeah, you gotta put those seeds. And then,
Oh, I'm not putting those seeds. Me and grandma aren't getting those seeds.
yeah, you are.
No, you are.
You already got a half
So
a pack.
so like, oh, them I
Do not give me more.
a half of
Do
it.
not get all
No,
of
you have to
it.
use the whole thing. They only got a half a pack.
We only got half noodles.
Do not give me all of it.
We took half already here.
I feel like I need a little room because if I have to get up from parenting.
This can't do nothing, brother.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
That's it. Nice here.
Is there jumping in
Give
there?
grandma some more.
Oh, I
Grandma
smell
trying,
it.
grandma trying to give you more.
You
Ma,
gave me all
Why you
of
gonna do that to him?
No, I didn't.
It's a chicken.
Stop yelling.
You know it's too
Right.
Look at what I
spicy.
have. You need more.
Let's
I'm
burn
not
it.
getting no more sauce.
Let's start
Maybe your
eating.
girl should have been here too. This would have been
Needy
hilarious.
is cheating.
It would have been freaking out.
So Nene, like,
Put it up
I
here.
already
No.
took half.
No,
So
she's
now
not.
He's trying to
Put
make
some
it
more
more.
right
That
there.
means you guys
Okay, we're
need
not
more.
playing right here.
wait, and then who happened to
More
one
for
look
me.
so red. I feel everybody white.
Because
Okay,
I didn't
stop,
stir
stop.
mine.
I didn't stir mine
And you're
either.
trying to make me take all of the half.
Stop, stop, stop.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, chill.
It's not hot, bro.
All right. I think.
My lips are on fire.
All right. You guys ready?
Wait, hold on, not really. Mine's not stirred. And look at mine compared to Nazir's.
Nice, you're stirring yours up.
Mine's on steam. Nice.
So stop.
That's eating.
Here, you have more of this.
Put no.
No, how you gonna put more? Rihanna already started.
He said it's not hot.
Does it up now?
He knows it's hot.
He says, go ahead. You wanna-
I swear it's
do it. You know this.
I waste my time with this.
I need Vaseline. Y'all got Vaseline?
It just tastes like regular
All right.
pepper.
I need Vaseline. So how do we have to do it? We have to just.
Nah, Jim. Regular pepper. Not hot.
Mouth
You
is
hot,
hot.
man? Not nothing on your hand.
I didn't even eat it.
My hair already itching.
You have to. It's your challenge.
Oh, that's some right here.
Okay, bring her
Well, I
Yeah.
think the hardest part.
Not hot. Come on, me no business in that challenge.
Ooh,
Oh my god, that
my hair itching.
You know it's still starting spicy. No, Nigeria not eating.
Oh my god, I got a headache already from this place.
So we don't take the time, 5 minutes gone, we don't eat.
You can't drink that.
It's not hot, no.
It's not hot. Well, so I'm not
I
eating
think
it.
mine's hotter than yours.
No hot.
Take a bite of mine.
No hot.
Right. Take a bite of mine if it's not hot.
Do yours?
But mine's hotter because the Nazir made me put more. I think my
There's some- He has a whole pack of sauce though.
One back the bar for it.
I got more of that.
All right,
I got more of the
the
half.
rest is between me and you.
I can do it. Move.
Sit down and eat something.
Right, don't let her out.
My kids
Hold on, let me take my sweater off.
You're done.
Hold on, I gotta take my sweater off. My hair is itching.
The ring around your mouth got burned.
Yeah.
You quit already?
I feel like there's more hot in mine because Nazir.
It's burning your mouth?
Just like regular pepper. I'm looking, you know, like it's saucy.
Is it what?
It's saucy how I nasty taste.
Oh. You alright?
Just taste like pepper. That burning idea. I use soda.
Oh, look.
I might throw up.
No, you're not. You're done then.
Oh. Rub your lips with it.
You done, Nana?
That's what me and
Are you
Nazir
done?
were last time.
Huh?
Are you done?
Yeah, I feel you're done.
No. I gave you a whole pack.
When you talk to without drink, you just taste like regular pepper, like me eat raw pepper.
For real.
Me not eat coffee.
What?
Cause me not like it, but me not hot. Me not drink, me can't stand forever and me not drink no water.
Guys, I'm the only one standing.
Booger, eat up.
He probably start crying, Mom. Let him up.
Go to the bathroom and your mother. Like Tawana under the faucet for an hour.
Is it gonna hurt?
Yeah, like last time.
You want me to die?
Nene, honestly,
Yeah.
me not like, honestly, no, me not like this sauce.
So what? It's not, it's
Wait,
not
wait,
real.
but you know hot as we need just regular pepper.
Alright, I can't no more.
Just regular pepper.
I'm over here eating it while we're out looking at me.
Right.
No, I know that, me not like it.
So, yeah.
But what me can do, me not drink no water. But me not like it sauce.
Oh, peanut.
I think it's not bad.
It's bad food.
I think my nose is starting to run. Rayon's was. I see them sniffling.
Just stay
Alright.
there. They just stay there, regular.